Hi, welcome back. I thought I'd do a bonus video and show you guys the finished junk journal I made. This is, I bought this digital kit off of Etsy from Tailor Made Journals. Beautiful kit. I'm totally in love with it. So here's the cover, and I made the cover with you guys. And instead of putting this around here, I just tied it, which I think it looks really cute. And I have this as on the spine. There was, I was going to do a different doily, but I sewed this on and that went out the door. So here's the cover. I still feel like it's missing something, but I really like things simple. So I don't know. We'll see if I add more. So here's the first cover. I made this little pocket. I found this in my stash and thought it went perfect. So this is just a little note taking, and I made this cute little thing. I used 2 coin stuff. Anyhow, it turned out really cute. I used to do these in my mini albums. So here's the front, and it has a little pocket for that. And then you open it up and pull this out, and there's some journaling you can journal on. And then this piece you just kind of flip up, and then you have this beautiful picture of the deer, and flip it down and look at all that journal space and such a tiny spot. I love it. And then there's another little journal card. Very simple, and it was fun. I loved how it turned out. The only thing I think I'd do next time is add a little bit of paper in here. I showed you guys that. I made a video with that in it. So at first I had all of the paper with this as the background, and I didn't like it. So I took a picture of some doilies and did this. So here's a belly band and a little journaling card I made. And there's just a lot of space for my friend to write in. I'm going to give this to a friend of mine who, she doesn't go anywhere and she lives by herself. She only goes to the grocery store. So I wanted to make her something to cheer her up. Let her know she's loved. So this is a double belly band. There's one down here, and then this little thing is, I just love this mason jar. And these are cut aparts from her kit. This is a tuck spot, but I don't have anything in there. Oh wait, here. We'll throw that in there. So we have this, and that just opens more journal space, and then this really cute journal card. I love these bunnies. They're so adorable. And another journal card. It's very simple because I know she likes to do a lot of writing. So I didn't add a whole lot of embellishments. I added some, but not a whole lot. These are some more of her cut-aparts and one of her pockets that came with the journal. Some of the other pockets up above were pockets from the journal. So I did 2 different kinds of these. I really like how they turned out in here. There's just a book page pocket and with some cute little journals, tags, plain, and then a beautiful owl, and then I put a little owl there. And I left this pocket open in case you wanted to add something to it. Lots and lots of writing space, which is good. Here's another journal card I made. I just collaged with the extra paper, I decided. Fabric flip, but I used this pretty stuff instead. And after I made it, I realized most everything's on this page. I think I might need to add some more on this side of the book. Oh well. Here is a ruffle, fabric ruffle, a cute journal card. Love that owl and how that belly band turned out. And then back here is just one of little journal, a bunch of journaling space, and then this unwinds. I need to cut that little piece off. And journaling space. Oh. Pretty simple yet cute. I kept the back the way it was. I didn't do anything to it. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this little flip through. And I really had fun making this. I just love this. This kit was just beautiful. Now I need to play and make myself something with this kit. I am not a big journal writer, but I might have to figure something else out. Oh, I made a little collage here. I forgot about that. Anyways, I hope you guys have a fabulous day, and I would go check out her Etsy site. It's awesome. I know I don't get any I'm not affiliated with her, I think is the word, at all. I like her stuff. So I hope you guys have a fabulous day. I already said that. And see you guys on the next crafting adventure. Bye.